Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Premiere Pro for multicam editing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import all your video clips into the project panel. Select the clips you want to use for multicam editing. Right-click on your selected clips and choose Create Multicam Resource Sequence. In the dialog box, you will see several options for synchronization. Choose the synchronization method that fits your footage best. You can select audio for syncing based on sound, or timecode if your cameras were timecoded. Once you've made your selection, click OK. The multicam source sequence will now appear in your project panel. Drag the multicam sequence to your timeline. In the timeline, ensure you are in the assembly layout for better visibility. Open the Multicam view by clicking on the Toggle Multicamera View button in the Program Monitor. This will display all camera angles you've selected. Start playback of your sequence to preview all angles. As the video plays, you can click on the angle you want to use at any moment. Use the keyboard shortcuts for faster angle switching, if desired. When you finish your initial edit, review the entire sequence for flow and timing. You can make further adjustments by trimming or adding transitions between cuts. Once you're satisfied with your edit, proceed to render and export your final video. Save your project regularly to avoid any loss of work. This completes the multicam editing setup in Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.